Eating. Keeping eating. Not that one. And shroom passos Coke. I have a Coke and I have a barbecue. A Coke for mine. Yeah. I can say sweet skate be hungry. Keep it hungry. Di, di mo ko mahilig. Anira ako. Somebody offering. Somebody offering food. Wait, the stuck. I'm wait because of the time. I don't know why they waiting. Nobody. Sweet skate. I'm on the bus. Yeah, if I wish that I can like I wish I can go to live and say I'm in the bus. I'm on the bus. How that? How to do that? That I'm on the bus. There's a church, Holy Cross, Paris. Oh, a church. Yeah, just only smile. Sit skate and lie. I sorry. I got like this. Ah, that's why they got slowly because there's a checkpoint. Here. Which one? Country road, take me home. Right? Oh, I see. No one people that way. No one people there. Oh no. Wow. I like the mountain. Mountain goes there. Good. Cool with it. A mountain. Did you see the mountain? The tower. That's a mountain, huh? Sweet kid in the house. I'm traveling, I'm traveling. No, it's fast. Well, I like too fast because of that. No, why is there? It's a sit skate in the house. Sit skate. Wow. Ooh, did you see that? Girl, guys, it's a very nice place where a very nice way because it look like going mountain. Oh, you see the road like a snake road. Snake road. What kind of a barangay this? A place this? Oh, that's cool. Agfa, ah, Agfa. Agfa. Barangay Agfa. Agfa? No, there's a dog. Oh, I wish I can get my data. There is a place that no data. No nothing. Just keeping talk. Ooh, lots of trees. A mountain. I like the mountain. Coconut, oh, plenty coconut. A trees, a coconut, a mountain, mostly mountain. On the other side is had a mountain. That side is a mountain. This kind of area full of mountain. I hope my internet get to be okay. Full of mountain. I would like to look at it. What's that? Ah, that's a kind of a. Hmm. Yeah, my. Really, somebody who they got it. This is a Gosan del Sur. Ah, really? Discovered the Agusan del Sur. This is the terminal of Sibagat. A bus terminal of Sibagat. So that's why the road is like a snake because this is a Sibagat. If you are like a if you are not good in the traveling, you got because the road is a snake. Maybe the internet in here is better. I think. Well, rainy. It's rain in here.